Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit photos in CapCut. So through this video, I'm going to show you the feature that can be used on CapCut to edit your photos. So the first thing that you can do to edit your photos is you can adjust the coloring. So by going to the adjust menu here, you can add some filter or adjust the brightness, for example the contrast of your photo, and as well the saturation, the sharpness. Here you can adjust it manually, and also you can also add some filter. Let's try to add some filter into the second photo. So go to filter here, then just select your favorite filter here. Okay, just choose the one that you like, and after that you can also add some style to your photo. So by clicking on your photo here, go to style. There are lots of photo style that you can use to edit your photos. For example, here you can turn it into a painting, you can turn it into a particle here. So just you can also add some motion into the photos. Let's try to use the 3D Zoom Pro, for example. Okay, so the photo will become like that. And lastly, you can also add photo effect. Let's try it on the third photo. Here, go to effect, photo effects. So it's actually the same with the style. Let's try to do split here. Okay, for example, I'm going to use a pop-up album. Okay, so it will become like that. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.